Welcome to the part 1 of chapter number 5 of Engineering Metrology Screw Thread Measurements. Now, what is a screw thread? It is a continuous helical groove of specified cross section produced on the internal or external surface of a cylinder or a cone. Multiple start thread is produced by forming two or more helical grooves equally spaced and similarly formed in an axial section on a cylinder, which gives a quick traverse without sacrificing the force strength. In screw thread terminology, crest is the top portion joining the two sides of the thread, and it is the prominent part of the thread. Root is the bottom of the groove between the sides of the two adjacent threads, and flank is the straight surface between the crest and the root, which connects the crest with the root. The pitch is the distance measured parallel to the axis from a point on a thread to the corresponding point on the adjacent thread. Lead is the distance through which a screw advances axially in one complete revolution. For single start thread, lead is equal to pitch, and for multi-start thread, lead is equal to small n into pitch, where small n is the number of starts. The depth of thread is the distance between the crest and root of the thread, which is measured perpendicular to the axis of the thread. It is also defined as the distance measured radially between the major and the minor diameters. The thread angle is the included angle between the flanks or slopes of a thread measured in an axial plane, and flank angle is the angle made by the flank of a thread with the perpendicular to the thread axis. Flank angle is equal to the half of the thread angle. The lead angle on a straight thread is the angle made by the helix of the thread at the pitch line with the plane which is perpendicular to the axis, and the helix angle on a straight head is the angle made by the helix of the thread at the pitch line with the axis. Major diameter is the diameter of an imaginary coaxial cylinder that touch the crests of an external thread or roots of an internal thread. It can also known as external diameter, core diameter, outside diameter, or full diameter of external threads. The minor diameter of an imaginary coaxial cylinder which can touch the roots of an external thread or crests of an internal thread. The effective diameter or pitch diameter of an imaginary coaxial cylinder which intersects the flanks of the thread such that the width of the threads and the width of the spaces between the threads are equal and each being half the pitch. The virtual effective diameter or the functional diameter of an external or internal thread is the pitch diameter of the enveloping thread of perfect thread elements having the full depth of engagement, and these are clear at crests and roots and of specified length. For external thread, when added to the pitch diameter, the cumulative effect of deviations from specified profile for a specified length of engagement gives the functional diameter. The part 1 of chapter number 5 of engineering metrology, screw thread measurement, is now completed. We'll be back with part 2 very soon. Thank you students for listening the lecture.